Hi everybody, here's a quick tutorial on how to use a free screen recorder that I use online. You can use any type of screen recorder, but this is one that I prefer to use and it doesn't take up much room on your computer. It's called ScreenPal, so you can go to screenpal.com and it will give you this option for the free screen recorder. You don't need to sign up for anything. You don't need to log in. You don't need to do anything other than launch the free recorder. It will give you a prompt for a download. Mine is already downloaded, which is why it won't give me that prompt, but it will give you a prompt for a download. You'll want to go ahead and start that download. After that's complete, you'll open wherever your downloads are. You're going to open the package. When that package is open, it will walk you through the install process. It took me about 3 minutes to complete the install process. Again, it doesn't take up much room on your computer, and you can delete it as soon as you're completed with the project, so it doesn't sit on your computer if you wish. After you're done, you will see a menu and you'll see a box that will pop up on the outside part of your screen. That box is what is being recorded. You can shrink the box and you can make it larger, but just make sure that it's covering whatever you want to be recorded. That will give you the option to open whatever slideshow you're using, like your PowerPoint, and you'll configure that striped box around your PowerPoint slides, because that's what I will be seeing. You will have 15 minutes to be able to record, but again, I'm only looking for something about 8-ish minutes long. So you'll be able to go through your whole PowerPoint slides and be able to talk over them like I'm doing here. I'm going to open up a document so you can see how that might work. I am going to open up, say, just a Word document, or open up Microsoft Word. I have it down below. And you can see, because it is in that checkered box that I used for recording, you can see any of this. If this were to be my PowerPoint slide, then I can open up a document and we can walk through it. So I could read you my slides and I could give the presentation. For example, what are the 2 to 3 things that stood out to you this week? What questions do you still have about these ideas, etc., etc. So you'll be able to read your PowerPoint slides like you would be giving a presentation in class, but without actually giving class. There is an option to have a camera pointed on you during the presentation. That's not required. You just need to have your voice going through the slide. You don't need to have the camera pointing to you as well. If you have any questions, please let me know, but hopefully this is a quick, easy way to be able to do that screencast and be able to share those presentations out with the class. Thank you.